Hi guys, Anand again. So this video is for the learners. This video is not for experts. So in this video, I'm going to learn about the Nodejs API. So what I'm hearing nowadays, people started building REST APIs using Node.js. So Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment built on Chrome. So to run some JavaScript stuff. So I'm going to try to learn the Node.js REST API. So I just did some research and then it's pretty simple. Like I'm just going to follow the W3 schools over here. So before doing that, you need to install the Node.js in your machine. Make sure you have installed the Node.js by running this command. Node version, so I already installed the Node version 8.9.1 and then the npm version 4.6.1. So cool. So let me create a Node project then. So in order to create a Node project, you need to run the node init. So let me try that one. Node init. So let me create a package first, mkdir my Node.js API project, and then let me go inside that project. So node init. Okay, I might be wrong. It's not node init, it's npm init. Okay, here we go. So it's asking the package name. So I'm giving the nj API, and then the version 1.0 description. This is a test Node.js API, and then the entry point. It's kind of in Java we used to have like a main method to start a Java class, similar like the entry point to start your application. So this is index.js, and then test command. I'm not going to use any test command in this video. Git repository, I don't have anything. If you have one, you can add it over here. Keywords, Node.js, npm, author, you can do whatever. I'm gonna give my name, license ISC. That's it. You can see all this stuff. So all this stuff will be saved as a package.json. So you can see over here. So is this okay? Yes. And that's it. So we have initialized our package.json over here, and then you can see the package.json as well. So you can see all these details, whatever I have entered, and then but the one thing, we don't have a index.js, which is the entry or the main file to run our application. So let me create an index.js over here using the VIA editor. So this is our index.js, and then let me write something like console.log hello Anand, and let me save this file. And then you can see over here the newly created file over here. And then to run this file, let me run node and then index.js. So you will see over here, hello Anand. So this is kind of like a main method in Java, like simply run the main class or whatever. But we need to run this in a browser. So that's where I use the W3 schools. So you can see over here, we need to use the require.js, which importing the HTTP module, the node module, and then using this variable, we just need to create a server. So the server has its function. It has a request parameter as well as the response parameter. So what we are doing here is we are setting the write head to 200, which is the OK response, and the content type as text plain. So you can define here as JSON or XML or whatever you want to do. And then the response end is the real response, which you need to send to your client. So And then dot listen is a method in the function where you are defining the port of your server. So I'm gonna do the same stuff in the index.js. So this time I'm not going to use the terminal. I'm gonna use the uh, atom editor so that it will be easy for you to edit the stuff. So let me open my project over here. So opening my project under, yeah, so NJ API. So let me open it. So you can see over here I just created the index.js over here. So let me import the HTTP node component and then assign this to a variable, JavaScript variable called HTTP. So that's it. So we imported and then we successfully kept it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the server dot create server, and then it has a function, and then this function has two variables. It has open brace and close brace. So it's one is the request, the other one is response. As you see in over here, so we need to set the response like this guy, right head. So I'm just going to copy and paste over here. And then response dot end. So I'm gonna send some response, hello Node.js or whatever. So over here, I need to call the listen function to pass some parameters. I'm gonna use 8087, and then I'm gonna save it. So let's see how it's gonna work. So go back to our terminal. Let me run the node index.js. Seems like the hello Anand is over there. Now let me open this port in my browser. Localhost, then 8087. Here we go. Hello Node.js. So this is like a baby step to learn about Node.js. So moving forward, let's see some advanced concepts. So thank you very much for watching.